Hey friends, this is Atif Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on PEPE. Few hours ago, I shared a video with you when I was showing you that PEPE is about to break another falling wedge pattern on the 4-hour time frame chart. And this was that video. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that within 24 hours, it has broken out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern on this 4-hour time frame chart. And after the breakout, it has also broken out quite long-term support and resistance zone that starts from 136 and goes to 146. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Pepe that I shared almost 2 days ago with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Pepe, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal pattern that was formed with the US dollar pair, and expected harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that was completing, you can see on this 4-hour time frame chart. By the way, before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that was also formed on the 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that it started a nice reversal from this buying zone. Then we read the sell target zone here. Then we had another massive pump that was almost 54% pump, and before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal Gartner pattern that was also formed on the 4-hour time frame chart. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying zone, this was the sell target zone, and this was the stop loss. And now after playing this chart, you can see that the price line on the very next candlestick again entered the buying zone here. And then we had a very nice reversal. And this was almost 12% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. Now let's move to current trade signal, the most recent one that I shared a few hours ago, almost 2 days ago. And here you can see that it was about to complete the final leg of a bullish Gartley pattern, and the buying zone was starting from 123 and goes to 120. This was a complete trade setup. This was a buying zone starting from 123 to 120, and this was a sell target zone, and this was the stop loss below 120. And now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line on the very next candlestick, on the very next candlestick, after a few candlesticks, it entered the buying zone here. You can see it drop down up to 122. And then after the completion of this leg, it started a very massive price reversal. And so far, it has pumped almost 30% and still moving to the upside. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis, and I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Pepe. And this is the 4-hour time frame chart. And this was the falling wedge pattern that I was showing you in my earlier videos as well. And I was telling you that after the breakout from this wedge, it can imminently break out this next long-term resistance zone that starts from 136 and goes to 146. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that previously for the past several days or even months, it had been breaking as a support and resistance line. Like here, it was breaking as a support in the month of May 2023, and here as a support, here as a support, here as a support, here as a support, here as a resistance, resistance. And now it was again breaking as a support and resistance here. And now you can see it has broken it out on the 4-hour time frame chart, but it's a quite long-term support and resistance on. Therefore, I would suggest you to watch out for at least a daily closing above this resistance. And previously, we have already broken out this bull flag as well and this down channel as well. And now if you take a look at the target for this wedge, then the target for this breakout is here at the top of the wedge, approximately at 172. And the target for this bull flag breakout is here. That is approximately at 250. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.